Hello, chefs, foodies, students. Welcome to Everybody Knows. My name is Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the aroma category of woody. The category of woody, grow up, describes aromas that come from the fibrous parts of large plants, mostly trees. The category is split into either living or burned, as both of these aspects are found in foods or food preparation methods. The living half of this category includes the aromas of evergreens, bamboo, and a few deciduous trees, while the burned half includes all of those woods that are used for smoking foods, as well as the aroma of wood ash. Other common descriptors of woody might be toasty, wintry, bright, green, smoky, bonfire, fireplace, or foresty. Let's take a look at the universal aroma wheel. So here we are on the wheel, and our category of woody is right here, and it's right between nutty and spicy. If we look closer, we can see that it is divided into living or burned, and we can see that within those categories, we have the different types of wood organized sort of by family, so coniferous, deciduous, and then bamboo as a shoot. And then within burned, we have smoky, also divided into deciduous and coniferous, and then the more sort of simple compounds of charred wood and wood ash. And if you look even closer, you can see some of the examples of those different subcategories here. And these were chosen by general popularity in terms of their use for either living wood or wood that is used for smoking. For example, we have some mesquite chips here today. Give that a whiff. Yeah, give you notes of barbecue and perhaps smoked fish. And so those aromas are coming from those woods themselves, and that's what fits right into this little category. Something to note is that wood from trees is almost never eaten as an ingredient, but it's used as a flavoring or part of the preparation technique for other ingredients. However, softer parts of trees can be used for a variety of culinary uses like spruce tips or bamboo shoots. So that's interesting. That about wraps it up. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about this category of woody as you either cook or eat. Think about, do I like these aromas or not? And why or why not? Do they bring specific memories or thoughts to mind when you smell them? And finally, do you agree or disagree with this organization that we've talked about or things that we've talked about during this video? Please comment below and let me know. I love the feedback. Thank you so much. I hope that this video made sense and that you got thinking about the woody family of aromas. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, feel free to subscribe. You will see all of my latest videos. And if you are interested in getting a hard copy poster or a digital copy of the aroma wheel that I've created, there will be links in the description. Thank you so much.